right, so today is a special day for me here at First Class. Can you show this too in the video? You know, this the greatest secret to success in America, and then I'm going to sign my book. You know, this beautiful book. All right, look at this, and then from Monsieur Rolson, StLouis, and then this is the book notes that's gonna help you to do this. So let me sign this book for you, buddy, and then how you're going to read it. All right. Yeah. So I hope you read it and we read it and then share the information. And also I have great vision in this book for Haiti as well. And I make a pledge. I'm not gonna tell people what is inside. When you read it through, pendant toute li wap well, et lo well wap di, yes, you know. It's not about politics, anything about it, but it's just like a vision because pays nou pa ka rete kon sa. Faut que gen yon moun qui pou vini et samedi à m'écrire parce que si mettez sur à l'écriture ça veut dire que c'est bon bagay que à la légère.
Non,
mais et bon bagay que tout m'bral prendre balle la gen dans n'importe monde. Faut une organisation, faut que gen un team, une équipe qui solide qui a font bagay normal, qui font bagay sérieux et ça n'a délivré ça nous promet là et nous pensons que ça va aller au profit pour aider pays nous développer. My friend, it's an honor and then also my biggest wish c'est que the bestseller. That's it, bestseller. Et hope moi c'est pour 1 million de copies vendues à travers le monde. 1 million de copies dans le livre là pour vendre à travers le monde dans 5 ans. Ça c'est goal moi et je pense que it's possible. I have faith. The same way you have the faith and your underverse have the faith, moi-même I have faith in this book. And this is a miracle, it's my greatest miracle in life, this book. Alright, so and then I give it to you and then I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think this is a masterpiece.
Yes.
And I really wanna, as an author myself, I know what it takes for somebody to complete something like that.
Yes.
I know the hard work. It is some hard work. Not only it is hard work, but it is a story about immigrants in the country, and this is what we need in the United States of America. I think we need more authors like Monsieur Jean Sorel qui peut écrire, qui peut quitter pour génération qui va venir. Et moi connais tant que Jean Sorel se dit et parole au aller mais écriture était ça, il était son masterpiece pour temps et l'éternité. Et moi-même qui campé là je dis ensemble avec nous et qui ensemble avec M. Sorel, c'est moi pour t'adou qui Jean il livre changer la vie dans le pays des États-Unis. Il me connaît livre ça tout et M. Sorel a une chance pour partager avec la communauté pour changer la vie génération à génération qui venir. Encore M. Sorel, merci en pile, c'est un masterpiece, félicitations. Et me connais un paquet de bagages pour aujourd'hui, un paquet de bagages dans le livre là, moi lire et me connais tout des informations pour partager qui peuvent aider nous à faire ça mieux. Merci en pile, félicitations.
Okay, good luck, merci.
This is the greatest the greatest secret to success in America. This is some real deal. Get your copy.
Yes.
Let's move together and so that we can rebuild not just the United States but also Haiti.
Exactly.
We got what it takes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no, we got this.
Yeah, thank you.
We got this.
Thank you.
Let's say together, we got this.
We got this. We got this. Together we got this.
We got
Thank you.
this.
Thank you. Thank you very much everybody. Thank you. This is the greatest the greatest secret to success in America. This is some real deal. Get your copy.
Yes.
Let's move together and so that we can rebuild not just the United States but also Haiti. We got what it takes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah, no, we got this.
Yeah, thank you.
We got this.
Thank you.
Let's say together, we got this.
you. We got this.
We
We
got
got
this.
this. Together we got this.
We got
Thank you.
this.
Thank you. Thank you very much everybody. Thank you.